I don't know what's going on now. I fixed the dryer and now everything's just tested me. This here oven? Yeah. It heats up when it wants to. Don't want to heat up. So I think I'm going to have to get a new heating element for that. Another thing, my car. I can open the door from the outside, but inside, I can't open the door. I have to roll down the window and open it from the outside. So, yeah, one more thing I got to fix. Or try to fix. We shall see. I'm going to attempt the door right now, take the panel off and look inside, if I can even do that. But the oven, I'm going to have to wait on this part and see what happens. Yeah, got Spider-Man with me, so should be easy. It's another one of them cold, rainy, wet days where I just don't feel like going outside. But I got to go mess around with this door. Motivation. Find it. Harness it. Take it. And go outside, Brandon. I really don't feel like doing this. See, it opens fine from the outside. Inside, not so much. I wonder... Let me just show you what I'm talking about, guys, so you know what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I cannot get out now. Yep, we're stuck. So in order for me to get out, I didn't have to start the car, but roll the window down. Embarrassingly look like I'm robbing myself and open it that way. Oh, I did something there. Oh boy. It means I'm doing something. I was trying to avoid it, but now I got this far. Ooh, that piece of plastic broke. That's not good. That's scary. I'm gonna watch a video real quick. Alright. After watching some videos, I saw what I gotta pop off in order to get to the door mechanism. I gotta take off this piece right here. All that. This off. And then I think a piece in here. Down there. So, and then there's like 4 screws I gotta take off. 10 mil. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna try now. Let's see if I got some kind of tool to pop this off. Look at that, fire pit's defrosting, making its way out. Okay, I thought I had a little pry tool, but I probably don't. Get this big flathead screwdriver. I'll try that. I know I'm gonna need a 10 mil socket. What's on here right now? Look at that, 10 mil already on there. Good to go. All right, let's take what we got and see what we can do. Okay, got videos. I got mittens right here too. Warm up my hands a little bit. See if I can pop something off here. Let's see if I can pop off. Okay. Okay, be gentle. I don't have the cool tool that guy had, but... I'm scared I'm gonna break it. I don't wanna break it. Got it off. Oh. It's easier than anticipated, I'm guessing. Ooh, scary. There There's that. This one here. Whew, it's always so scary taking stuff off that because it's my door handle. Okay, there's that other screw. Okay, here's my door. Whatever's causing the door not to open. Oh, oop, I didn't expect that to happen. It looks like it's pulling. Huh. Let me just think for a while, okay? I'm just gonna think, and I'll get back to you. All right, I think I figured out what's wrong, what the problem is, but I feel like the cord that pulls it, it's stretched somehow. I know, does metal stretch? It's stretched. That's what happened. And now it's working. Hopefully it stays working. Let's, see. I wonder if that day the wind took my door and bent it, like, if that's what caused this. It's working. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to stay working. That's what I'm worried about. See, and now it's not working. But if I put this right here, if I put it right there, cuz I might have to leave it like that. See if that works. I think this is my best option if I do this. That's the best I can do. All right, that's what we're going to do. That settles that. Okay? Let's put it back together and call it. Pretty much put back together. I don't know how well it's going to work, but my mechanism I tried, let's... Okay. Let me see if I can show you close up. So, this little part right here is supposed to be pushed in a lot more. Like it's supposed, that little nudge is supposed to be inside. But I need more pull to actually pull it. So, I fixed it. It's a fix. I'm taking it as a win. I'll finish putting this little panel back on and yeah, we'll say your boy has fixed a couple of things out of a couple of things. Fix the dryer. Next, after this door panel, is the stove. I just gotta wait for the parts to come in. Brought out the old camera.
Does that mean it's getting nighttime?
We're on a little walk. Haven't used this camera in a long time. Using the Canon G7X. I know you guys probably don't care. But sun's out. It's kind of nice out. It's 40 something degrees.
It's 44 degrees.
But why not get a little fresh air?
Gotta go! Gotta go! Gotta go! Daddy! Hey!
crazy. I used to play baseball in this dugout. This is what league I started in. This is called Little League. And I used to play baseball here. Got Monty on the pitcher's mound. Oh, but I don't think they get it. I think they got it backwards. Monty's standing on the pitcher's mound, hitting the ball like he's batting. And oh, Malia's throwing. She's throwing pitching signs. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh, my poor kids. Malia's throwing pitching signs and Malia's doing the pitch. These kids are crazy. I rarely ever use this camera, but I like this screen on and everything. I should start using it more. Bring it back.
Oh, you know it's like right up there.
You coming, Mom?
Yeah, I'm trying to get my bike filled. What was that?
Running like Oh, you got me on the lip. Oh, I got snow in my mouth. Oh, he got me right in the lip. Look at this. He got my whole beard and lip.
Daddy!
Oh! I should use this camera more often. Simplify things, not try so hard.
Daddy.
I don't know. Maybe I don't even really try that hard. But I remember when I did have this camera, I used to try super hard. But I broke this camera by putting like my remote control car in front of it and got dust all in it. Oh, you remember them lyrics? Go for it.
Ding 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 mara ding 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 mara okale opala speni kokonat tanane elo kala Apala penanu oh apala penanu
Oh! Ow!
My hands are so cold.
Well. Ooh! Malia hit that car with a snowball and I got it on camera. Ooh, Malia. Is that how you run it from the police? Man, I kind of can't wait for the nice weather. But I still haven't gone snowboarding. And this weekend's this guy's birthday, so
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Guys, soon I'm gonna be cutting my hair. Everybody says no, 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 no. But you gotta remember, it's not their head, it's mine. All right. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was nice. I fixed my car door. Proud of that. Nice mission accomplished. But I think it's because I've been watching a lot of Van Neistat, and he just fixes little stuff. I think it starts somewhere with just fixing something, anything, or because it's like a puzzle. I still have to. 1 second. I got this for Christmas. I still have to build this, and I think it's like if you look at stuff that you got to fix or whatever, it's like a big Lego set. And hopefully I can get better and better at it the more I do it. I think the risk is what's scary. Like when I was taking apart the door, I was afraid I was going to break something. But I didn't. Everything went well. Man, let me clear my throat. But stay tuned. One day I'll build this DeLorean. Another thing, I was using my Canon G7X, the camera I started vlogging on, the OG of all vlogging cameras. Where is it? This is the Canon G7X Mark 1, the OG. That's what the second half of the video was on, was this guy. I really like this camera, and it's the simplicity. Like, yeah, and it makes me feel kind of nostalgic because it's what I first started on, and it's like a point and shoot. There is no lens attachments or anything like that. So I might start shooting with this more. I feel like all the sand and everything fell out of it from when I broke it, so it should work good now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Other than that, over and out. Pas de soleil,